Hi, this is my food mosaic model. As yeah, it has four main parts, and first one that I'm gonna tell you about is the phospholipids right here. Uh, they have two minor parts, two separate parts. The head, the phosphate head, which is polar and is hydrophilic, which means they love water, and the tails, which are these red lines, which are nonpolar and they are hydrophobic, which means they are afraid of water. This yellow tag here is the are the carbohydrates. Uh, they are like an identification tag to tell oneself from another. Um, these pink things are the cholesterols. They help the like the cell. They help strengthen the cell membrane. Um, lastly, these straws are the protein channels. They let um, certain things to go past by, like certain organisms, or yeah, and that's it. Bye.